Hi, my name is Jimmy and welcome to Lock Lab. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prevent hooks from falling out of pegboards using a cheap hack with paper clips. For this hack to work, you're going to need a paper clip that's approximately the distance between the holes in the pegboard. The distance between these holes are 1 inch. Furthermore, you're going to need the hole to be vacant below the hook that you're trying to secure. Lastly, you're going to need a little bit of clearance behind your pegboard. You might have purchased one of these kits from the hardware store that includes a variety set of hooks. Now let's go through every type of hook and I'll show you how to secure them with the paper clip. Start by bending the paper clip at 90 degrees. It should look something like this. Next, flare out the smaller hook. Place the hook where you want it to be on the pegboard. You're going to take the paper clip and loop the large hook around it. Then insert the smaller hook into the bottom hole until it clicks. There, it's secure. Hang your tools. If you don't like it, you can pull it out with the pliers. The hook has just enough force to keep the hook in, but not enough to where it makes it permanent. So if you want to adjust it, if you need to hold the hook in with more force, you can use a second paper clip and do the same thing. Furthermore, you can tighten it with pliers. For other hook types, it's exactly the same. You just use two.